it just
It's
draws.
really isolated.
The thing is, oh, but staying in the car is fine because wherever they are, we can then like be mobile and move away.
Yeah, that's true.
The
I
worst
have.
case scenario is on your house.
Oh, is it gone?
I wouldn't trust it. Nope.
Oh, here
No,
it
Nope.
comes.
you gotta
You gotta
keep
keep
driving.
driving.
Yeah.
This is what I want to do, right? Yes.
Keep going. Just keep going south.
This is super sketchy here because there's two huge logs. Okay, we dodged them.
They don't.
South Main Street. Unfortunately, this shit isn't labeled on the.
I mean, I
Yoga map.
know John and I know our way around here. Okay. This fucking helicopter, dude.
As we get to a more crowded area, it's
Yes, this is
obviously gonna
correct.
get very dangerous. So
It's yeah. Staying isolated is good because it's crowded areas. Worst case
There's
scenario,
not many zombies down here, and we've like there are these farmhouses are off of like rural access roads.
so it's really bad in a city. But because the thing is, all it does is it pulls. It's not like all the zombies teleport here, but they're drawn to the sound. So what we're kind of doing is drawing them towards this isolated area, and it may help alleviate the main city. We could honestly. Do you need gas?
No, we've got 3/4 of a tank.
Okay.
Where the fuck are we?
Go right. Turn right. I got you. I have the map. I have the real map pulled up.
Alright. I passed the farmhouses we'd already cleared.
There are more. There's more. No, I got you. All of this. So if you enter
Driveway.
This, yes.
Okay, access
So
road.
this is good. This is gonna be a giant circle of farmhouses.
I mean, it's not like we want to stop.
But we could idle somewhere. Because so if we just stop, so
There's a zombie.
If we stop now and wait it out, this is a big circle, so that we can't get clogged up by zombies.
Alright, where do we want to stop?
I would just stop anywhere on this road, and then we can just keep an eye out for zombies. The second we start getting. Again, they do not teleport to us.
I'm gonna eat something real quick.
Man, I wish I had a book. You don't. Okay.
Sounds like it's going away, actually. Surprising.
Dude, the worst possible fucking time. Oh, coming back.
No, it's just circling around.
Yeah, it just keeps moving.
Turning the AC on because I personally was getting hot. You know what is the problem, guys? We're about to hit nighttime. It's 7.
Oh no. Then we just have to keep. Oh no.
It's about to get really bad.
It's just like swooping around as widely as it can, like bringing all the zombies.
Well, if we can get back the base, then they'll be more south now.
Well, we don't want to linger there while it's still on us.
You motherfucker, go away.
It's bad.
You cannot
It's
help
not gonna
us.
go away.
Here they come.
They
where
are.
zombies?
There's one east, 2 east.
I
Are
don't
you
see
like
them.
super zoomed out?
Oh, I
He's got a
do.
bag.
Alright, if it gets bad, let me know.
Alright, go do your work. Does have a duffel, so
We're just gonna get the bag. We're gonna chill. Oh, he's got. Okay, let me just equip it. Oh, it's just a lunchbox in here. It's pretty funny.
Casey could use a duffel bag though.
Nope,
Okay.
hang on.
Oh, wait, what the fuck?
Extras never hurt.
Okay.
So far, those are the only two. But it's gonna start getting dark.
Put it in the glove box, Casey. I believe, yeah. I believe that one's not mine. Yeah, that one's not
I
mine.
can't reach the glove box. Can you put it in one of these seats?
I can't. Oh, wait, let me just switch seats with you. Can I do that? Yeah, I'm going to the back. You go to the front. I'm gonna smoke back here anyway. Hotbox the joint. The helicopter is so cool. Those people, they're like taking pictures. I mean, they might be the military, they might be whoever.
I think the idea is like they're like, hey, we can help you. I mean, we could go back to that gas station. Oh, it's too cold now.
Oh, okay, it's too cold for you.
Just yeah, I just turned it up a little bit.
Oh, okay. Okay, it's
Wait,
flying away again
wait.
for now. Oh. Oh. That motherfucker, dude.
I'm gonna look up how this mechanically works.
It's like, it could be days in game, I'm pretty sure, once we're spotted.
No, it'll occur once between days 6 and 9, and between 9 and 8 p.m.
The good news is that we drove to bumfuck Africa.
Yeah, that does seem to be working out pretty well. I mean, like, we don't know what is moving toward us, potentially.
Right, I mean, it
Could be bad.
a big-ass horde from the city.
Could be bad. In fact, I want to say I hear zombie sounds, but I don't see them. They could be in the field, which would be terrifying.
Yeah. So I tried to look up like how long it lasts once it spots you. There's nothing. There's no statistics.
It could be a while. Let me just say.
We just gotta call, like, when we're just gonna start trying to go home.
Yeah.
Well, when the helicopter's gone.
Evan, did you turn off the car just so we're not idling?
Yeah, I'll turn it off. Nobody's here. This is an abandoned vehicle. It's too late for that.
Oh, happy birthday to me!
Happy birthday, Casey!
Happy birthday!
Jesus, dude. This is terrible. Oh, another zombie coming through the field.
Dang.
Because here's, I think we're gonna be good. Because look, this is a big circle. So either we go one way, there's no zombies. We can go the other way, and like we've got options.
That zombie's not even coming toward us, so that's the other piece of good news.
Yeah, it has no idea.
Probably helps that the car's shut off. Yep.
Ooh.
Oh.
It's over.
Boys. All right, now we get to go investigate the damage.
All right.
Carefully. Slowly.
I would
Cautiously.
love. Oh wait. Can we actually explore these farmhouses for if they have like saws and shit?
Could have generators.
Yeah,
Or
generators
generators.
are a huge possibility too.
Because
Make
they've got to
improvements
they've
there.
got to have a ton of equipment, right? Like these have.
Alright.
All right.
These
We're
are
gonna back it
rural
up before we
people.
get out, just that in case we need to emergency exit.
Sure.
Okay.
Going for this garage.
Hello, buddy. You want to fucking fight?
All right, and everyone stay eyes open for if you see a big cluster. Fuck.
I'll keep
There's
watch
no-
outside in the car.
Yeah, there's no window into the garage. Because tools are either gonna be in in that garage or in a basement. Okay, other house.
Damn.
I mean, if you
Is
want to,
that
if
short?
There.
you want to move the car, I'm gonna go to this other house.
I'll just go to the other house with you.
Ooh.
We have a nice fence if we needed to book it. Gonna eat some chili real quick.
There's pigs back here. Ooh, there's a couple. Ooh, there's a couple of zombies. Yeah. You know, I don't like I don't like the way.
Oh. Yep.
Yeah,
Nope.
nope.
Not looking good.
Nope.
Not looking good.
Looking bad.
I think we go back around the long way. We know that these houses are here. We can
I
always
agree.
come back.
I agree.
Digital watch if anyone needs that by any
Yeah.
chance.
Thank you.
Duffel bag is still in the glove compartment.
I don't need it. I already have duffel bag.
Excellent. Just more storage.
We've only got one headlight. That's something that someone with zero mechanics can do. We can replace this fucking headlight.
Do I need bolts?
We have
Or
both.
I say
at the fire station.
bulbs.
Okay, alright. A couple zombies. A couple few. Oh, I see. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, they're active. I think there's one more house. Oh. Maybe with us. And no, let's get the fuck out of here.
Okay. I'm okay with that. I'm okay with this option. Which path will I
Alright,
take? Which road?
any of you
either
smokers?
way.
Are any of you guys smokers?
Yep.
I think John is.
Do we want to check these cars real quick? You like?
Go ahead. I'll keep the car warm.
Just looking for abandoned cars.
My hero.
I mean, I have really good luck with No, I can't get it.
Zombie coming toward us.
Alright, good. Wrecked cars actually mechanically don't work the same way as regular ones. Even if their doors are exposed, you have to like break the window to get inside. Like there's no even like check the door. We could get a little gas. I think
Get a little gas. Yeah, gas station's up here to the left. We don't have any gas canisters, so it would just be refueling, and it'd be kind of a risky refuel given the roaming
let's just do
hordes.
that.
But yeah, we'll take a peek.
Have we been inside the gas station here?
yeah. So I would say like, look, there's no one.
We have
around.
not been inside this gas station. This is one of the places I wanted to check for the generator manual, actually.
Alright.
So I'm gonna go ahead inside and do that real quick.
Someone want to gas up the car?
That would be John at this point. We'll do it, I guess, on our way out. It looks like.
I'm gonna quickly look at these cars. So you never know what bullshit you're gonna find.
Wow, this is shockingly peaceful in here.
Maybe the
Hopefully we
helicopter
find
was a
generator
blessing.
mag. Sometimes it is. Box of sparklers, eh? I'm gonna take these matchbooks because we can always use those. No, not the cigarettes I expect to find. Granola bar, tortilla chips, all sorts of dry food.
Nothing in there.
What building is this?
Well, I'm thirsty. Ice chest. We should have. What the fuck? There's just a car key on the ground.
There's a zombie here.
Just one.
Did you find anything fun?
No.
Oh, dude, these magazine. I mean, we've got maps. Louisville
There's a-
West.
there's a
West
bookstore.
Point.
There's a bookstore in the city. Or we need to go to like a school.
Right. Oh, no Gen magazine, dude. Fuck. I mean, I found a farming magazine, but we've already found like 8 copies of Growing Your Own at this point.
Light bulb.
Fuck. This isn't nearly as useful as I thought it would be. I really was hoping we'd get the Gen mag drop here. I mean, these farmhouses are also obviously a good place to look for that magazine in general. Alright, it's getting dark. I'm gonna fuel up the car and then we'll get out of here.
I got a hot dog.
We take those.
You gotta get your ciggies.
Oh, that's weird.
Nom 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 nom. Let me fix the. I found. Wait, stop. Or
Oh,
you have to
sorry.
get. Yeah, you have to get real close to it.
This game has so many beautiful little touches.
Here we go.
Damn. Still not letting me refill the gas, and I can't even get in the car seat anymore. I must be.
Oh, sorry. That's
maybe-
because I'm working on the car. There you go.
Oh, I see.
One second. One second. Yeah. Why is it not? Fuel pump is empty.
Oh, okay.
This next
Yo,
next
look
one's
out, I
good.
don't want to hit you. I don't want to hit you.
No,
Are you,
I'm good. I'm good. Drive forward. Just keep driving. Keep driving. I will do. I will fuel the car. Wait. Come on. Come on.
So
Come on,
confused.
game. Oh, Evan is on the left or the right.
On the left. It's on the, we're on the right side.
What the fuck? Alright, I'm out of the way.
I'm gonna swing around and try one of these, I guess. I don't really know at this point, but I'm gonna try it. Let's
We
try
gotta
this.
start. We gotta start getting the fuck out of here.
Yes, we do. Fucking thank God. Alright, we're fueling up.
John,
Yo.
Go.
Oh, is this out of gas? Did that not work?
it's when I click on the fuel pump, it says. Yeah, it just says no container.
That was really weird. It gave me the animation. Oh no, it's full. It's full. I already filled it. That's why. All right, John, we need to go, bro. It's dark out. We gotta get home.
Yeah.
Dude, the lack of Gen Meg sucks.
We will find it.
We gotta find it soon, man.
Yeah, sometimes people have to go to like the university, like LSU University, go get it. Do you like your new headlights?
Oh, beautiful. Well done, sir. Our resident mechanic is on his way to mastery. That area is so sketchy because there's so many little logs. Fortunately, I've learned by trial and error where they are generally. Well, I don't see hordes of zombies, so far so good.
Yeah, we really just want to watch out. I hope that it was basically in the prison area.
We already had all those guys riled up. All right, we gotta cut tight to avoid hitting that stub. There we go. All right, looks okay. Look at how bony the bodies are now. Beep beep.
We've been twice dead a while now.
Sure have.
Wow,
Oh, we're already back.
Yep. It's on the edge of town.